What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and we have to do the market crash live because the market has just crashed on us. So let's go over and look at it right now. I have just lost a whole ton of money. This is not the price of this anymore. It went down to like 20 something. Is it? Oh yeah, so 29. It is still at 29. So good. But let's actually go in and look what else is happening. Bitcoin right now is dumping. It actually, I was watching it. It went all the way down to 42,000 on some sites. You got to bear with me for a minute because I need to share this video still, because this is just a real quick, live update that I'm going to do with you guys real quick. And I need to just get the word out there still and change a couple things on here so that I can get people to watch the video. So let's go and look down at the price. I almost for a second was thinking this was the end of the market because I was watching it go from 49,000 to 42,000 and then back to 49,000, then back to 42 on Coinbase, and it kept going back and forth, and it looked like the end of the market right now. Hold on. Am I big? Yeah. So let's take me not from being big. Go back over here. There we go. So yeah, the market right now is not doing very good at all. And as you see, things are not looking the best. I didn't think this was going to happen. I was wrong. I didn't think that we could go back and touch these levels, but we just got completely wrecked tonight. So, I can only prepare you for, two situations. And I didn't think that we would go all the way and have to touch way down here. I mean, why did this happen, especially right before Christmas? It's like, why would you do this to people right before Christmas time? Like, this is not the time where you steal people's money, because everybody just lost a ton. I mean, I lost over like $1,200 just now, the most I've lost in crypto in a very long time. And most of that was from altcoins. I know my Bitcoin's going to go back up, but I don't know how well my altcoins are going to fare, because of this gigantic dump here that we just had. So, I'm trying to get it to let me in this video. It won't let me. There we go. Video link. Found it. So it just shows that YouTube doesn't give me any viewers unless I share my stuff before. That's unfortunate. Live market crash. I noticed with some people, I was just watching a lot of people with very small channels getting big views right now on their channels because of the market crash, the live market crash. So I thought that would help with my channel as well, but it doesn't seem to be working. Like, they have hundreds of viewers right now, small channels, and they only normally get like 200 views per video. So I was hoping that could be us right now. I will get into look at the price, and we're going to talk about what's happening, why this happened. Why did this even happen? What is going on? We need to figure this out. And we're going to do that here together. This is only going to be like a half an hour live stream. So live market crash. Okay, now let's just do Reddit and then we're done. I wasn't even expecting to do this video because I already did a bunch of videos today. My channel's doing really bad. My crypto's doing really bad. It seems like all these things come all at one time. Like, because I was just actually, doing pretty good. My channel just started taking off. You guys are really supporting me. We're getting, a lot of views. I mean, we were getting 6,000 views, 1,300. Like, we were having big viewed videos all in a row. 13,000, 6,000, 3. We were having big videos. And then, like, the last couple of days when crypto has started dumping, my channel has just taken a big dump. And I hope it's not because of the ads. If the ads are the reason, I don't really need ads that bad. I want to grow my audience. And then like if I have 100,000, then I'll put ads. But I mean, I just don't want to push people away with ads, especially when the market's taking their money, So we got to try, you got to buy the dip when it's down here. That's the one reason that I'm kind of upset about this dip, is because I just bought in a bunch of altcoins yesterday at a dip, and then they dipped again, and I bought a little bit more, and then it dumped. So now literally I'm just so far in the losses on all of my trades that, I mean, I honestly don't know what to do right now, guys. I mean, this is the one time I'm flabbergasted. I really am. I would never get in the market to dump all of my money. It really is not fun to watch your money just disappear. Look at that. I mean, it just started dumping and never stopped. Who did this? I mean, do you know that the market is down? That trading volume doesn't matter, but the whole market trading volume, we are basically down $1 trillion. So $1 trillion has left the market in the last 2 days. $1 trillion has left. It is just bunk. So I'm not very happy. Are we going to recover? Probably. I don't think this. I mean, if we were done with the bull market, this would have kept going down. So we would have seen it go down to 38, 35, and 30, and then we probably would have stayed at 30 for a little while until dumping it to 20. This is why I'm saying this is not a different thing. Guys, we can dump down to low levels at any time. Everyone who's saying this is a different market this year, that we're not going to see a bear market, or do not kid yourselves. The market can go just as far down, just as fast as it can go just as far up. It is the same volatile market as it was 4 years ago, and as it's going to be in 4 more years. Will Bitcoin and altcoins decouple? I hope so, because look what happens with Bitcoin when it goes down 16% or whatever. Well, it probably went down. I don't know. Let's go back over here to price. Let's see. Let's see what it says. What did it go down? Well, it's not telling me how much percentage it went down. Let's see up here. So it is 16%. So it's down 16%. But let's go look at altcoins then. How much is Solana down? Only 16? 18. Okay, not too bad. Only a couple percentages higher. And then this actually says it's only 16. But let's go to, I don't know, Anchor. 30%. I mean, it was already dumping, so not a good example. Let's go to the graph, though, because this one was not dumping. It actually was recovering. All right, 23%. So Bitcoin goes down 16%, while the graph suffers 23% dump. Thank you, Bitcoin. That's called Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance affects the graph. Oh, we're only at 21% now. Yippee. I'm still down 20 cents from my buy-in price yesterday. Look at this. I mean, everybody who bought for this last just month, everybody who bought for the last month has now been wrecked. Every single person that bought in the last month has been wrecked. Now, if you bought 3 months ago, you're good. You're just kind of right back where you were. Yippee skippy. You waited 3 months and you're right back where you were. Doesn't that sound like life sometimes? You work and you do all this stuff, and you work and you climb and you get to the top, and then instead of keep on going, somehow everything just goes down and dumps. That's like my channel. We climbed and we climbed and we got here and we did good and we gained 500 subscribers in like a month, doing the best we ever did, getting thousands of views. Then it dumps and it starts to go up again. Oh, no. And then it really dumps. If you look at my channel the last couple of days, it is the worst it's done since before I had 1,000 subscribers. So not only is the market dumping, my channel's dumping, and it's only at like 1,500 subscribers, so I can't really afford a dump at this level. So yeah, just things are not going very good for me right now. So wish me luck. 53. It went all the way down to 53 cents. And I bought at 88. So it went down 30. Oh, wait. So 53. It went down 35 cents on me in one day. One day. And that's about a third for about 40% of my money. Took about 30-40% of my money. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. And one day you take 40% of my money and it takes me a year to get a $200 profit. Yeah, I don't know if I'm, liking this very much. It takes us forever to get up here, but one candle down. I mean, dude, when do we get an up candle like that? I mean, I guess we do in Algorand. We did one in Algorand. We got a big, nice up candle like that. Not in Bitcoin, though. Look at this one. Oh, I guess we did right here, but this is GERT. So it had a little one right here, but market crash, markets suck. They basically just wanted to steal all your holiday money. This is people shorting. This is why I don't like leverage traders, shorters. I absolutely can't stand people that short crypto because you're adding 100 times leverage to the price going down. So if you put $100,000 in the market at 10x leverage, you're basically putting $1 million saying the market's going to go down. You're selling $1 million worth of Bitcoin. If you have a 10x leverage at $100,000 shorting Bitcoin, you're putting $1 million into the market. That's what you're doing, right? You're basically putting $1 million saying Bitcoin's going to go down. And you're basically selling $1 million worth of Bitcoin. That is basically what it is equivalent of and what it does to the market. You see what these shorts do to the market. They are the reason that we had this big sell-off right now. If all these shorts weren't in, someone saw shorts, a nice long squeeze. They're like, oh yeah, this is at the bottom where we have so much support. We shouldn't break right here on all cryptos. But then they made sure that broke. And not only broke, but it broke in a monumental way. So this is the worst thing that has happened to crypto in a very long time. Is this the end? I don't think so, but it didn't need to happen. That's the problem. There's no FUD going on here right now. I'm not, saying sell at these prices. No, just hold. I mean, that's all you can do at this point is hold through it. That's what I'm doing. I mean, I'm at a big, big loss, but this is what I think I might make videos, and I think there's something to it. Every time I buy crypto, it goes down. Whether it's on its way up or whether it's on its way down, every time I buy crypto, I am in the loss right away. Every time. I mean, I bought crypto thousands of times. Thousands. I mean, I probably bought crypto more than a lot of people in the world. And every single time I've ever, even when it was like going parabolic up, it ends up going down on me as soon as I buy in. It's crazy how it works. It's called volatility, but it's also called, I don't know. There's something to it when every time you put the money in the market, it goes down right away. And I'm always like anywhere from $100 to about $1,500 in the loss right away. It's been that way the whole time I've ever been in crypto. I'm always in the loss anywhere from $100 to $1,500. Let that sink in just to make you not feel so bad. That whenever I buy in crypto, I am in the loss. And it can range from a very little bit in the loss, about 100, which is still more than it should be. And I'm not talking about the spread or the fees or none of that. No, I'm talking about after that. I'm talking about the break-even price after all the fees and everything. I'm talking about just my crypto. I'm always in the loss when it comes to that. And I do my calculations. And I think there's a reason for that. Basically, because they're selling it to you. I figured it out, basically. They sell it to you at a price higher than what the price of the crypto is. But that's not what they're paying for it. They already have that crypto, right? So the exchange is the one that makes the price go down right away on you because you are buying it too high right away. And then what they can do is just push the price a little bit further down right away on you. And it's a psychological thing, I'm telling you. Because when it's something's just a coincidence, it might happen, even the most, like maybe 60 out of 100 times. But when it happens 1,000 out of 1,000 times, it's no longer a coincidence. It's a fact. And I could do 10 different videos of 10 different cryptos on 10 different days that I buy. Each one of them, the price will go down, whether the price is going up, sideways, or down at the time. It doesn't matter. It will go down first. I don't know what that is. Check it out if you don't believe me. Look at any of your trades right away, and they will go down. You could make more. You could have it come back within a day or a week, but you will be in the loss when you first make your trade. Now, it's a psychological thing or an exchange thing or just the cosmic tell you to beat it. I don't know. But it happens every time. So I don't know if I'm going to make videos about that. But it would, if you guys want to see it, I will. I mean, I could do 10 different cryptos, 10 different days, and each one, you pick one that's pumping right now. You buy in and you'll be in the loss within an hour. So that's just the way it tends to work. This should have been the bottom here. That was the thing. I was like, if it does go down, it'll only go to 86. But then when I buy in, it breaks support. That's the crazy part about it. It's like when you buy in at a price and then the support gets broke like a minute later. That's what happened. Like a minute after I bought in, support broke. I was like, what? I just did a live stream with everybody saying that, we were on our way to a recovery because it looked like we were. All the signs pointed to a recovery. This right here pointed to actually like a bull flag, a pennant. It looked like a nice little pennant to me. A nice little bull flag, but no, not now. Man, this thing is dirty, 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 man. It did me dirty. For real. So that's unfortunate that, we have to deal with this. So let's look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is, this is where I think I'm just going to put all my money. I'm tired of altcoins. I'm just getting tired of altcoins. I'm not trying to spread FUD. You guys can stay in altcoins. You could probably make money. I'm kind of tired of the big beatdowns, man. I can handle it with Bitcoin. I'm strong when it comes to Bitcoin, man. My hands are the most diamond that there is. But when it comes to altcoins, man, I don't know what it is. I just cannot be calm about them. I don't want to spread FUD because I've made a lot of money with altcoins and they're good. And there is no FUD that should be spread, but there is a little bit of doubt when something happens like this. I know you guys feel it. If you don't feel it, then you're not human. It's like somebody punches you in the gut and you're trying to gasp for air. You're like, or like if someone punches you in the diaphragm, right in that, or the solar plexus. Is that what it is? I don't know. The spot right under your rib cage. I think it's your solar plexus. You get punched right there, knocks the wind out of you. That's how this feels. It was like someone, and it happened over and over. Every time it would drop, it was just like another. Can't get air. So yeah, it's definitely not cool right before Christmas. For real. Now, why I say that, it wouldn't have made me so mad if they didn't do it on Black Friday too. So what makes me so mad about what they did on Black Friday is it looked like they were dumping the market so that they could let people buy in at a cheaper price, right? That's the way that it appeared. That is not what was the case though. And that's unfortunate that those things happened at the same time on the same day. So everybody was like, okay, this is Black Market Friday or Black Friday, whatever. And so we're going to get as much crypto as we possibly can. And then they dump it on us a couple days later, or a week later, a couple weeks, That's what I don't like because, a lot of people on Black Friday only buy on Black Friday because they can't afford to buy anywhere else. And so imagine if a bunch of those people bought crypto on Black Friday and now they got dumped on and they're thousands of dollars in the loss now or however much. I feel bad for people, because I know I'm not the only one who lost a ton of money and, it's not cool to the normal person. This is why the rich run the market. And this is why when Altcoin Daily said that he said something about like, what did he say? About the rich and the what did he say? I think he was like, he made a reference about the rich and the poor, and like, something about, the rich kind of control the market while the poor, kind of ride the wave. And that's so true. It's like, we can only ride the waves. We can only do what they do. They control the market while we can only go up and down. But when they dump it on us or like this, now all we have that we can do is just hold on and hope it goes back up. I mean, that's no position to be in. And it's unfortunate I put all of my cash in the other day instead of somehow like me just being like, well, maybe I'll wait a day and see what happens. Instead, no, I waited and I did it in like 3 different ones. I thought I was being strategic by splitting it up. And like, so my strategy that seemed like it was a really good one at the time ended up really doing me dirty, because the way that I did it, the market was starting to go back up and stuff. And then it dumped on me. So unfortunately, Bitcoin has betrayed us before Christmas. How dare you, Bitcoin? I mean, I was literally looking for the end of the market for a second. I was literally this close from making an end of the market video. Thank God that didn't happen. I'm serious. I was super close. And when I saw it going from 49 to 42, I was like, if I see it go from 42 to 35 or something like that, I'm making a video right now saying this is the end of the market. And when it didn't do that, when it kept going from 42 to 49 to 42 to 49, 49 to 44, 44 to 49, then I was like, okay, maybe it's not over. And I'm not going to call it because I'm going to wait. I've not called it yet, not once. And I'm not going to call it until it's truly over, until I truly believe that it's over. And this is just the worst fake out, shakeout that I've ever seen, because it did a dirty. It did you dirty. It did us all dirty. Now, if you prepared for this, you are a better man or woman than I, because I didn't expect it. I really didn't. I honestly am wondering, a lot of the news that's going on. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to get demonetized, but there's a lot of stuff in the world that I think is just a lot of FUD that is being spread so that the markets go down. They know that when they talk about that, the markets. So let's quit giving them that power, because that's what they're trying to manipulate the markets to go down. And because they have rich people in their pockets that were like, hey, we want this to go down so we can buy more. And that's what happened. It went down to 42. It wasn't good enough. 52, they can't make enough at those levels, right? They are greedy. So the greedy are greedy, and they're going to be greedy, and they're going to do greedy things, right? And this is greedy. Going down, it didn't need to go down to 42. It did not need to. I mean, it touched the 200-day moving average. Thank God we had that. Because let's go look at this now. That I was saying it will go to 48 first. And somehow it went from 48 to the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average to 48. So let's get these averages out here. So let's get them out here, the MAs. Okay, we'll do the 9, we'll do the 100, and then we'll do the 200. We need the 200 out here to actually see what saved us. You got to be kidding me. So you're telling me that we went below the 200-day moving average, that we wicked below it. What saved us down here then? Look at that. See, we bounced off this here, but that we were at least still above the moving average. And we were above it here too. This 100-day moving average, once we broke this 100-day moving average, it was over. That was our downfall when we closed below it here. I mean, that was the straw that broke the camel's back right there. Let's get the EMAs out, because I'm going to leave the 200 here, but I want to get a couple EMAs going. Let's get the 100 and the 200 out. This sucks, guys. I'm not happy. I mean, I don't like letting things like this steal my joy. Okay. Wow. The EMA is at 50,000. I don't know what saved us here, guys. Couldn't tell you. There's nothing that should have saved us here. I mean, we do have some support down here, it looks like, but I mean, how is that even support? It's below all the moving averages. So we got lucky, is what I think. I mean, there's no reason that we should have made it. This should have kept going, but we're in a bull market. So this is just manipulation. They pushed it down as far as they could. This is not a normal sell-off. This is a big, 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 big trillion-dollar sell-off. Unfortunately, trillions of dollars were harmed in the making of this video. What do we do? I need some comments, guys. I don't know what to do. What should I do? Yeah. Hold. Not financial advice. Common sense. I don't know. It isn't really even common sense at this time. It's like, what do we do? Look at the trading volume. 68% up on Bitcoin. Yet we are billions of dollars down. $53 billion worth of Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. Most of it was probably sold. That's half a trillion dollars. $500 billion. Wait, no, okay. That's only half $100 billion. Sorry, I was getting a little anxious there. It's about a 20th of a trillion, but still. I don't even know. I just don't even know anymore, guys. You tell me. I mean, I thought I knew what was going on, but when I think I know what's going on, this happens. So it's changed $9,000 in the last 24 hours. We've dumped $9,000. Yeah, if I had a 1K, I would put it in something right now too. I'm serious, dude. I would, if I had $10,000. This is actually how millionaires are made, right? But for some reason, fate doesn't smile pretty on me, because I had $3,000 in cash just a couple days ago that I could have put in one of these, or not cash, but in liquid assets at least. So I don't know what to do. I really don't. Top 5 right now. Top 5 losers right now. Well, what are the top 5 that lost today? Top 5 losers. Actually, we could do that real quick. Let's do it. Let's do the top 5 losers. I mean, why? We always do winners, right? Let's do all the losers. We're happy, right? We're happy we're losing, right? Is that what we are? Losers? We're happy we lose? No. Man, I am down a lot of money, though. A lot of money. $1,300 today I'm down. That's only in here. So I'm probably down. Oh, man, I don't even want to think about all of it. Here we go, right here. Scale down 35.04%. OGN down 34.68%. 1 inch down 33.19%. Storage down 31.98%. Filecoin, down 31.13%. LivePeer, down 29.44%. This is a time I wish you guys could talk on my live stream. You know what I mean? Like, hey, you guys take the floor. I'm done talking. All right, let's go back to the charts. Now, whoa, what did I just do? What the heck is going on? Okay, that was weird. All right, what am I doing? Okay, that's what I was trying to do. Let's move that over. Okay, let's go to Bitstamp because people, I guess they are more responsive to Bitstamp because they're used to seeing it, I guess. I don't know. Or maybe because it's black and dark. I don't know. There's a reason. Got to be a reason for it. But yeah, let's just go to Ethereum. Look at that. So Ethereum's starting to come back up too. I mean, we're starting to have a recovery finally, but this was the bloodiest day that I have ever seen in crypto. Red, 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 all sorts of candles going down. Look at all that volume too. I mean, this is the most volume I have seen in a long, and look how many people are buying it now. That's the thing. You know how many people, they did it just so they could buy. They did all of this dumping so that they could buy right here. But what they did is they messed everybody over that bought crypto in the last year, basically. They just basically messed over a year's worth of people in one day. So whoever did this, you know who you are. Just know that you messed over a lot of people. And if you can live with that, then whatever, dude. But before you try to make your next, turn your 10 billion into 20 billion, think of everybody else before you do it. I'm just super irritated with a lot of people right now. Whoever did this, you guys, this doesn't just happen. You know that, right? That's why I'm so mad. Because you know that it's either a group of people who did this or a government individual, etc. They saw an opportunity. This isn't a normal bull market thing. If you look in the past, at this time, we don't dip in December. It's nothing but a pump month. Yeah, we might have some little tiny corrections in December, but not this. Not I mean, let's go to Bitcoin and then we'll. Look at that. I mean, it's under all of the movement. Okay, what am I looking for? This is what I'm looking for, right? Nope. That's not what I was looking for. You see that though? If you look at this, we hit the retracement level, what? Right on the head there. Look at that line. That's exactly where it hit, from the top to the bottom. It was okay, it went below the 0.786 and it didn't quite go down to the 1.618, the golden ratio level. But let's actually try and see if we can do it the opposite way, maybe from the top to the bottom. Okay. See, when it broke each of these levels, that's when it really went down and broke down. You see that, how important these levels are right here? The 0.5 wasn't as important as the 0.382. When it broke the 0.382, that's when it wicked all the way down. And you see how it closed right above that line right there? So, yeah, that's pretty significant. Now, what is it going to do from here? Are we just done and over? Is it just... No, we would have kept going down. We had so much momentum to the downside. This was the biggest fake out. This means that we are on our way to a massive bull market after this. I know for a fact we're not, done with the bull market now, in my opinion. Not financial advice, my entertainment purposes only, but there is no way that this can be the end, because it doesn't make sense why that would happen. And also, there's too much money in the market right now. So if anything, we would go longer in this bull market because of all the money in it, instead of shorter than the other years. That's why I think that. And it might not go much longer, maybe not even a month. It might not even go longer at all. But it won't go early, though. It's not going to end early either. So that's the thing. We need to be careful with these big dumps. This is why I was super afraid to buy into Algorand at those. Because at any time when Bitcoin decides to dump, well, what happens? All the crypto and the altcoins suffer immensely. Like Algorand now at 156. Oh, yeah, I bought at 185 and 178. Yippee. Now I'm 30, 29 cents and like 20 some cents in the hole in one day. Thanks a bunch. I knew I could count on you. I mean, $500 million just went into Algorand. But guess how much just came out of it? Look, this was at $12.1 billion yesterday. Market cap, $12.1 billion yesterday. So that is $2.3 billion that just came out of this coin. They put 500 million in. Yippee. Well, 2.3 billion just came out. So your 500 million doesn't do anything for anybody. They should have put it in at this level. I feel bad for them. They invested all that money at a big old high level up here, and then it dumps on them. This is just not good for anybody. It's down 35 cents today. That's my buy-in price. It basically, it just ruined everything. I've been doing good. This is my and I'll probably end up sitting through this and making a profit, but I don't like doing that. I don't like having to do that. I don't like buying in and then being 30% in the loss the next day. I just wish I wouldn't have bought in. But it looked like the dip was over. It looked like it had dipped, and that was the thing. This is what they do to steal our money. They make it look like the dip is over, and then look at it. It goes sideways and even up, and then it dumps even harder. This is a fake out before a dump. Why do they do that? Because they want to steal your money. Who? I still don't know who, though. That's the problem. Not like I can narrow it down. Maybe the exchanges, Bitstamp or Bybit, Femex, Coinbase even, Robinhood, Binance. I don't know. This is a very rich person that did this, or a lot of rich people. Because when you have 2.3 billion just out of Algorand, we're talking trillions of dollars just came out of the market today. Trillions. At least 1 trillion came out of the market today. $1 trillion. That's $500 billion twice. That's 100x of $500 million. 500 billion. So then it would be 200x for a trillion. 200 times 500 million is $1 trillion. But they still don't give me the viewers, man. Even though this is a market dump, this should be a good viewed video. And I see a lot of other people getting major views right now. I just don't know. YouTube's doing me dirty right now. I'm just not having a very good time, man. My channel people are good. I'm not in a very good mood right now. Everything is just dumping. My channel's dumping, crypto's dumping. I can't get more than 4 people on my channel at one time now. It's like, dude, like look at this. I'll show you some. Let's go on YouTube. All these people with no subscribers, they're getting hundreds of views. Oh, Altcoin Daily came on. That's why. 8 minutes ago. So everybody's coming on. But there was a ton of people on here with little channels that were getting big views right now. Like, that's why I came on. I was like, dude, whoa, these little channels are getting massive views. And now they're nowhere. I don't know. I guess I got in too late. Yep. I don't know how many he had. Look, 1.9. I bet he has like a couple thousand subscribers. I don't know. YouTube does me dirty. I don't know why, dude. Like, they literally limit my views. My videos should do way better, guys, because when they don't limit my views, I'm telling you, my channel blasts off. Like, look at my 6,000 viewed videos. When I don't get limited on YouTube, when somehow I beat their algorithm and people see my videos, they click on them, they watch them, they're out there and they do good. But there is something in the algorithm that I am running into a roadblock every time. And sometimes I get around it, but most of the time I'm just right into that roadblock every time. And I don't know how to get around it. I don't know the difference in the videos. The ones that do 13,000 and the ones that do 50 views. How can I get a 50 viewed video and then right after get a 13,000 video and then a 5,000 viewed video and then another 50 viewed video? It just doesn't make sense to me. I see all of these other people with big viewed channels that got big views right away. And I don't know, YouTube obviously is not helping me. I look at the metrics. The one time they put me on the up next on YouTube, I got 5,600 views just by being up next on people's stuff, because they watch my videos if they get a chance. Like, that's why my click-through rates are so high. My audience retention, though, needs a little bit of help, which means my videos need to be better. And so that's good. I take that into consideration. But look at that, 629,000 views. But I can't even get 100. YouTube won't even give me 1,000 views. I think I earned them. Like, for real, man. There's just some kind of milestone. Look at this guy. Altcoin Daily, one word with this guy, and he got 5,000 views per video. He went from 1,000 subscribers all the way to 20,000 just from one shout out. One shout out. That's all it takes, man. Yeah. So anyway, there's no more of them on here right now. I can't see any of them. But yeah, there was a bunch of them earlier. There was like tons of people in crypto videos about the crash, and they were doing really good, really good. But I guess that's over now. Everybody's used to the crash already. No, Altcoin Daily's on. That's why I can't compete with that guy, dude. Or those guys, I should say, the twins. They're a good channel. I'm not going to lie. I like their channel. It's a good channel. Altcoin Daily. It's probably one of the better ones, you know, probably the best one actually, but yep. Why is it the best one? I say because they give a lot of other people a chance. That's what I've noticed. I didn't even mean to put that thumbnail on there. Altcoin down, Bitcoin pumping. Everything's down. I wonder what they're talking about over there. Oh, I've never got a chat, a super chat, and I don't have a member yet. Let's like their video at least. There you go. You guys rock. Good job. I wish I was as good as you guys. This just crashed Bitcoin. Crypto implosion. Non-organic selling. Okay. Well, shout out to these two. They're taking over the YouTube algorithm. They figured it out. I have not quite figured it out yet. I've tried everything. I've tried different videos. I've tried different ideas. I've tried just about everything. So I don't know. I just can't figure out the algorithm. So I know my videos are better than this. Like I know several videos that I've made should have got 10 to 20,000 views. So I don't know. I'll just live down here in obscurity for as long as it takes, I guess, until YouTube either accepts me or, you know, my channel, all my subscribers leave and I'm left with nothing because I don't know what to do anymore. I mean, I've busted my butt for a long time. For like 6 months, 4 videos every single day or more, 4 to 6 videos, sometimes 7 videos a day. And you'd think that one of them, you know, I got a couple big viewed videos. Let's just go look at my channel. The channel is definitely, it was starting to take off. It was really starting to do pretty good. But we only have 3 people watching right now. So that kind of hurts the channel a lot. Only 3 people watching. But as you see, let's go and look at my popular uploads. Well, look at this 10,000 viewed video 4 months ago. Well, what's so special about it? Nothing. It's a 15-minute video about an airdrop. Okay, well, what about the next big one? Well, it's the same one. I just did the same video twice in a row, except, you know, different content. Then I did this. I told everybody about GN Binance rug pull, which got me tons and tons of views, which I was just trying to warn people about the, you know, the scam that was going on. So that got a lot of views. And then this is the one I was talking about. This is the one YouTube actually helped me with. This is the only video YouTube has ever helped me with. What do I mean? There is something called Up Next and suggested videos. And the only video that has ever been on that list for over 4,000 views, they put me on there for 4,000 up next on people. I don't know how. I got 2.1 thousand views somewhere else, but then I got 4,000 views up next. I've never got that. Not on this one, not on this one, not on this one, and not on any of my other ones. So as you see, these are all my long videos. None of these are shorts. These are just popular uploads. 1.5 thou, 1.2 thou. That one, I don't even know how it did that, but yeah, 1 thou, 920, and then boom. So it's kind of weird how it's a big gap from 1.5 thou, 2,000 to 6,000. You know, and then I have all these up here. But I think more of my videos should do good. And then when YouTube actually helps me out, that's the thing. I think YouTube has blocked my, like shadow blocked me a little bit. I don't know how How do I think that? Because when you go to make your live stream when you're under 1,000 subscribers, it says right on there, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will limit the amount of people that see your video, which means they have the technology to limit how many people see your video. They have that technology. It says it right there. They're like, if you're under 1,000, we will limit how many people see your video. And that's what they're doing right now on my live stream. That's why you see that some people get 100 people on their live stream, like on stuff like this. They get 100 people. Even in my biggest live stream video, which is over 1,000 views, it didn't even get, it only had 20 people, 26 people at one time. And that is over 1,000 viewed video. This guy just had over 100 people on his channel at one time and only had 200 views on that video. I'm not understanding YouTube. Like, I'm getting all this information, but none of it makes sense to me because I am doing the same things. I'm busting my butt. I am doing everything that it takes to succeed at being a crypto YouTuber, but they are holding my channel down. Now, what? No, I'm not just spouting off, guys. I'm going to show you the decline in my channel. So you go back here a couple weeks, I'm getting 130, 120, 104, 199, well, 1,000, 1.2. This is the one I was telling you about, that even on my 1.2 thousand viewed video, this one still only had 27 people on at one time. But how does a guy with 300 views get 100 people on at one time? Something's wrong with that, dude. I think they're not treating my live streams correctly. I think they still have me under the 1,000 threshold. That's what I think they're limiting my live streams. And YouTube, please fix this. Because it's not fair that even when all of my people are on, very other little people join. So now let's look. So we were getting 729 views, 1,000, 116, 164, 180, 513, 233, and then we get to today, 59. Wait, what? 59? Huh? Dude, I haven't had 59 views on a stream. I don't even remember how long ago. What are they doing, man? So if you see here, yeah, 476, 748, only 95 for some reason. 751, only 73 for some reason. These ones are not doing what they should do, what they always do. 16 views. There is something seriously wrong with, and I would appreciate maybe if you guys say something to YouTube for me, like, because it's not cool that they're doing this to my channel. Like, I'm busting my butt. Look how many videos I have. 644 videos. Yeah, that's a lot of videos, guys. A lot of videos. Could you imagine making 644 videos in 6 months? I work hard, man, and they're not rewarding me like I think they should. I think that I should at least have 50 viewers. When I'm not, when I'm not spouting off like I am now. I can see why I only have maybe 5 viewers now because I'm ranting and raving. But when I'm doing my TA, when I'm doing my news, my video, like actually in the thick of it, we do 100 to 200 views every live stream. Now, if you look at all of my uploads, look at this, 59 views, 67. This is yesterday, right? What was this, yesterday? No, this was earlier today, only 69 views. So why? Okay. Now look, yesterday, really bad. 73, 72, 62, 751, yes, 233. See? 66, 748. Like some of my videos, this one only got 87. It's a Polygon video. It should have got at least 200 views. 513, I got right before that. And then as you see before this is why I was talking about, yeah, I had like maybe one small video rally. That's because I actually didn't promote this video at all. That's why that one. But look, 126, 187, 101, nothing under 100. That's basically what I'm trying to say. I haven't had anything under 100 because as soon as my video got over 1,000 subscribers, I felt YouTube open up a new audience to me. I felt my views go up and I saw the new audience come in and being rewarded for my hard work. But now it's gone. What they opened up for me at the beginning of me getting monetized and to 1,000 is gone now. They have done, they closed it again. I don't even know what I'm talking about because I don't know what it's called. But look on the live stream if you want to know what I'm talking about. If you have even just a channel that, well, you'd have to have a channel that could live stream. But if you do have a YouTube channel, you can go on to the mobile live stream. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, it might even say it on regular subscribers. Regular subscribers. No, I can't find it. I mean, I guess that could be why I don't have any tags in this right now, but yeah, I don't know. I honestly just forgot what I was talking about in the mid. Like, I just have so much going on in my mind that, I mean, my mind just is kind of blank right now. It really is. Like, I don't even know what to do. I just know my channel's been suffering. They opened up a giant audience to me and then took it away. And so I don't know what to do. I don't want to give up, man. I've been working hard for a long time. But 4 views, man. I mean, I was doing amazing, and then they just shut me down. Look at that, 442, 116, 229, 355. I mean, I was getting so many good viewed videos. 650, 328, 170. I mean, look, they opened up a whole new world to me right here. This is where I was thriving. This is right after I got to 1,000 subscribers. Look at all these views. 1K, 100, 988, 442. I mean, dude, I was starting to change my channel into a bigger viewed audience. And then they took it away. Why? You know, I don't want to quit, man. I don't know what they want from me. I really don't. I don't get it. So I don't know. This one should have done amazing. So should this one. I mean, Beluga. So I got the idea from Beluga, kind of his cat videos that he does like this. But I watched a video about what he, uses in the algorithm, and this is a completely different idea. The only thing that's same is that they're texting. So it isn't really, the same idea. I guess you could say that it is if you really wanted to, but it's not. And I think it's a really good idea, and I thought it could get millions of views. But if it doesn't get out to people's eyes, it will never get 1 million views. That's why I just don't understand YouTube. I don't understand the algorithm and why they won't give high quality, videos that would do really well a push. Like YouTube, that's the one problem with YouTube. They don't push any videos. And so some good videos that could do really well get held back because YouTube doesn't understand. I don't know. The algorithm is, I don't understand it. I just don't. Because this looping video I tried, This Algorand looping video did good, and so did the Cartesi looping video, but they sucked. These were garbage videos, guys. I mean, they were 7 seconds of just low price, high price. That's garbage, but look how well it does. I don't understand YouTube. I mean, I understand the looping. That's why I looped these ones and had big views on them. But then it's like they punished me now for it. I don't know. They punished. I don't know if it's because of these 2 videos. They might have ruined my watch. I don't know. I don't know. If you guys know, please help me, because I want to know how to get 100 people watching my live stream at one time. When barely 4 people, I haven't seen a person come on here in a long time. So I don't get it. It don't make no sense to me. Oh, and Bitcoin's going down even further. So yeah, I don't know anything. This market crash sucks. I need something to drink. Where do we go from here? I don't even know where to go on my channel right here. So I don't know, guys. I could use some advice. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. I don't really want to give up my YouTube channel, but I'm not going to do 4 videos a day and get 60 views, man. I'm just not doing it. I thought if I just put out more and more views and I kept doing it and I kept working and I kept doing it, it would eventually work out. But this is like me and my channel. We go along, we're doing okay, we're doing good, we're doing okay. We go up a little bit and then we get dumped on and then we get super dumped on. Story of my life. Yeah, I know I'm super negative right now. Really negative, but how can I not be? How can I be positive about this situation? Like, if my channel was doing good, and then I was also, and losing money, then it might not be as bad, but it's like a double, just the universe absolutely just hates me, dude. It wants me to quit. It wants to ruin me. I mean, dude, 6 months of work to get 4 people to watch my videos. I mean, I appreciate you 4, but come on, man. That's not. I could go, in the lobby and get 4 people to listen to me about Bitcoin. It's not why I started doing this channel, but whatever. People rather talk about losing a ton of money with GN than actually look what's going on in crypto right now on my channel. So I just don't get people. Like, you don't want to hear like me actually talk about crypto and like learn from somebody who trades crypto every day successfully until now. Like, I'm getting dumb, but watch, I'm still going to turn this into a profit. So you don't want to watch videos of a guy that even when Bitcoin dumps from 56,000 all the way down to 42,000 can still make a profit off of that. That isn't a guy you want to listen to. I mean, that's a guy I would want to listen to. If he knew how to take a big old loss like that and still make a profit, I'd definitely, I'd give him 10 minutes of my time, maybe even an hour of my time. You feel me? So I don't know, guys. You're ones that are watching this. Obviously, I'm not talking to you. And it's weird because I am talking to you. I'm not actually able to talk to the ones that I want to talk to. So isn't that weird? Like the ones that I'm talking to actually will never watch my videos. Oh man, you got to laugh, I guess. I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm numb right now. Does anybody else feel numb? I'm completely sober and I feel numb. I've never had a reaction like this to a dump. You know, I've been through several of these dumps before, but this is not just a dump, man. This feels super different than all the other dumps. I don't know why. It feels like this one. It doesn't feel like any of these other ones. This feels like we are done, guys. See that? See where we went? What was the crucial area that broke us off last time? Right here, right? Well, guess what? We broke below it. But it's basically bringing us back to the very first part of the bull market. See that? See where it went to the very first part of the bull market right there? We got lucky. Or it was calculated. Someone had a gigantic buy order set down here. And what they did is they dumped it. And then as soon as this big buy order went in, it saved it from going down further. So they did a big dump to make sure that it went down. And then they probably bought the exact same amount at this price that they dumped up here. You know, that's what they did, right? Probably a $500 billion order went through. I'd love to see it. I'm serious. There's got to be a huge order that went through selling Bitcoin and then buying it back right here. I guarantee you that's what happened. I don't know for what amount. 500 million, 500 billion. Well, no, because the volume's only 50 billion, right? In 24 hours. It just doesn't make sense. How could it drop that much just for $50 billion in volume? It shouldn't. That's what doesn't make sense. Even with $50 billion, it shouldn't be able to drop Bitcoin that much. But it did. It did. Let's go into the comments, guys. What's up with you? I'm kind of embarrassed about this video tonight. I just don't know what to do anymore. Yeah, there is too much FUD, man. I know. It's just too. It's because people are feeling stuff right now, man. It's because Market Mayor is AI. Yeah, it's crypto, but I put all my money in yesterday, right before the dump. That's why it hurts so bad. I had I had a bunch of liquid money that just got wrecked. I basically just lost all my money, or half of it. Bradley Johnson, he says it'll bounce back right, though. I sure hope so, Bradley. I really do, bro. If you're still here, I know I probably scared you away with one of my rants, but if not, glad you're still here. It will. I mean, I think it will. I hope it will. I pray it will. I don't want to lose any more money. If this is the end of the market, then I'm going to lose a lot of money because altcoins are going to go down 90s. I mean, I'm basically out if that happens. And then my long-term staking of ICP will just have to sit there. You know, within 6 months, we'll see what happens, right? So I'm glad I kind of have a long-term stake in that. I don't have to worry about the price of that for a while. So, but yeah. It would be a fire sale if they didn't already Black Friday trick sale us. Right? We already had the dump, supposedly. And this is what they do. They fake you out, pretend like it's not the dump, and then wreck you. That's why I'm so mad. They did it dirty. They did us dirty right before Christmas, dude. Oh, it feels evil. You don't feel that evil in this, guys. If you don't feel it, I mean, I'm a very spiritual person. So I feel evil permeating. Like when I'm on a certain website, I mean, it almost has a presence. Evil has a presence. I'm not going to lie. I know that might have lost a lot of you right there, but I can feel the greed like permeating. I could warm my hands on this right now, guys, on the Bitstamp screen. It literally has a heat, not from my laptop, because I feel it out here. I don't know. Maybe I'm different. I'm weird. But yeah, it just feels greedy to me. I don't know why. Yeah, a lot of the coins are down 20% or more, and Bitcoin's only down about 15% right now. But that's only to date. Now, from the top, we are down like about 40% from the top. I wish I could trace it to the bottom, how much of a percentage we were. I know one of these does that. Does anybody know which one does that? That gives you percentage from top to bottom? Let me look it up. What indicator gives you percentage from top to bottom in Bitstamp? Oh, my phone just died on me. Oh my God, dude, that's my life. That's my life. Wow, guys. What else could happen? Is my laptop gonna die? No, it's plugged in with a battery. Okay, good. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, check it out. No way. Dude, my laptop charger works on my Android phone. That's pretty cool. Maybe, if it works. No, it doesn't. Oh, it's at 0%. That's why. Anyway, so I can answer questions over here still. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. Best spot as we type to buy. So yes, so I'm not the only one out there buying, or I'm not the only one in the world, right? So guys, I just want to let you know that this is the perfect buying opportunity. Now, I didn't say that before, which I should have, because I don't have any money to buy in right now myself, or else I would. But yeah, guys, this is the perfect buy opportunity for every single crypto. They want you to think that it's going to keep going down and down and down. But mark my words that, not financial advice, that it is not the end of the bull market yet. And we are going to go higher. Will we go lower first? Man, I didn't think we were going to go to here. I honestly, if I would have bet you, like if you would have bet me $1,000, I would have bet you $1,000 that it was not going to do what it did today. So I would have been wrong. I would have been out $1,000. Another $1,000. Okay, anyway, yeah, it's not the Bitcoin I'm worried about. I know my Bitcoin will go back up, but now I'm really worried about my altcoins, man. They're just like so far in the loss. It's basically half the dang price of the altcoin left, you know? But so yeah, buy everything right now. Algorand $1.52, dream level prices. The graph, dream level prices. ICP, dream level prices. Every single crypto you see, dream level prices. This is the best time to buy crypto. Mark my words. You will go up from here. I mean, if you bought down here, you are a champion. You bought at the best time in history. You will make a lot of money. Now, you could do the same thing over here. It might even dip down even more before it goes back up. But I want to go I don't know. I'm gonna sell something. I don't know. Maybe I will. I don't know. I don't even. I don't know what I'm doing. I wish I had money to buy this dip. That's what I wish, but I don't because that. I mean, if I didn't put all my money in the other day, I wouldn't be so mad because then I at least maybe if I only put half of it in, it wouldn't have been so bad. But I put every last dollar in before it happened. I mean, it's like the market waited for me to put every last dollar in. And then they're like, oh, yep, the last dollar's in there. Let's go. I know that's not true, but that's exactly what it seems like. You know what I mean? It's like it knew exactly what to do to just tank me, to just do me dirty. And it did. Did me super dirty. Algorand, thanks a lot. All the money that I made from Algorand is now gone. But guess what? I made it back last time. So I'm going to make it back again. I hope. I mean, 500 million just went in there, but 2.3 billion just came out. So unfortunately, I don't know what to do with that. I really don't. Except buy Algorand, man. I wish I could have bought it at $1.39. That is I'm jealous now. It makes me so mad that I didn't have money to buy this dip. I mean, I think that's the worst part about it. I almost don't even care that it dipped. You know that? Now that I think about it, it isn't that it dipped that makes me so mad. It's that I didn't have any money to buy the dip. That's why I'm so, no, for real. I know it sounds stupid, but it makes my gut hurt. Dude, that picture that I have on my Telegram, that is how I feel right now. You get your headache, you get your stomach ache, and then you get not being able to buy the dip, and it hurts all over. It hurts your head, it hurts your stomach, your heart, your arms. Oh man, it just makes you want to bash your head against the table over and over and over until someone gives you money to stop. No, I don't know. But this sucks. This really, really, really sucks. But you can buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Look how much volume went in there. Not a whole lot of volume came out of Algorand, though. If you see that, not a lot came out. See all that volume that came in? So it looks like there's less volume that actually came out of Algorand. So we might be okay. This might recover quite quickly, actually. Look at that. I didn't even notice that. If you look at the RSI and then you look at the volume as well, wow, that is good news, actually. Cool. That means I think we're probably going to be pretty good. People were taking their profits up here and then buying back in right here, buying back in, and then really selling right here, probably selling right here, and then selling and then buying right here. So, what else? What else do we want to look at? Let's go to the. What do you guys want to look at? Tell me a crypto to look at right now. One in this, like in the top 100. I'll look at it. I'm going to the very bottom of the chat. So tell me now. No, I didn't get liquidated. I don't do leverage trading. I don't. That's the one good thing. I see. I can't tell you exactly what to. Yeah, my MacBook charger works on my Sam. Yeah. Buy ICP. Yeah, that's one of my favorites. I would definitely buy ICP. Not financial advice, but that is one of the best projects to be in. And especially, you could just put it in staking right now. And oh hell no. Oh hell to the no. That talk is absolutely not allowed in here. Is any moderator around? Do we have any moderators on? Nope. Okay. Anybody? Anybody? You don't want to have me talk about a crypto? Wait at least a day or two. You think it's going to go down further? I see. I don't. I think if you wait a day or two, that it might actually go back up to where it was. So that's the risk you take. Waiting a day or two, would help you if it does go down further, right? You would be safe from buying in right now. And that's what I should have done is wait a day or two and see if it went down. And next time, I'll probably do that during a dip and see where it goes. But when we were constantly up and down, and I was riding the wave really well. So I basically just got bucked off the wave. That's what happened. I mean, I got screwed because the wave turned into a puddle and then I ended up on the beach. So yeah. Oh, the best place to stake crypto? Well, there's several of them. You can stake on any exchange, but it depends on what you want to stake. Or you can stake on Express Crypto. You can stake in a bunch of places. Oh, I'm selling. I was responding to your comment. I was selling something. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. If you guys, want to wait a day or two to sell, you know, I don't know why you would sell right now. I'm not going to for sure. But yeah, what crypto did you want me to go over next? If you don't pick one, I'll pick one. But yeah. Yeah, the mods aren't around. They didn't know that I was making the video. That's why it was just a spur of the moment. So that kind of makes, understands why there wasn't a bunch on there. Oh, Crow? Yeah, I'll definitely look up Crow. Is there anything specific you wanted to know about it or just want me to talk about it a little bit? I actually don't have any of this. I wanted to there was one also called MCO that is on crypto.com. It's like their other coin. I think I like this one better. Or is this the same thing? MCO and Crow? No, I think they're two different things. Crypto.com coin. So Fave exchange, I would definitely say Coinbase is my favorite exchange, but it has a lot of problems. So Coinbase Pro, I like Kraken. What else? Binance. If I had it, but I can't do Binance. So crypto. Let's look at this thing. How far down did it go? Did it do everyone dirty too? Yeah, it held pretty well though. It only went down 10 cents. Not too bad. And then it went back up 5 cents. So this one did not have that big of a fall from grace. You see that? It only went from 49 to 69. And, that's not that bad. Let's see what the price change was. It 21%? Yeah. So 21%, it is down 14.50 from the very top. So I guess, yeah, that does suck from up there. But from right here, where we went down, it isn't that bad. I mean, compared to some of the other ones that really fell, like Bitcoin, right? So let's do a little bit of TA. Maybe we can see if this thing is going to recover or what. Oh gosh, that just looks bad. Yeah, that's not a bull flag. It's just too far down. I mean, but you could possibly see a double bottom from right here. I just don't know. Yeah. So it does a little bit look like a pennant, though, unfortunately. I would say probably it would only go from right here, though, because that would just be a way too long of a pole. So maybe even just right here. Or even right there. I don't know. I don't know if you would count that part. But if you did, I mean, if it did have a bull flag, I don't know why I always see bull flags everywhere. That just, yeah, that's not going to happen, though. No. So, anyway, there's that. But what else do we have here? Do we have any like inverse head and shoulders, falling wedge, maybe? I don't know. From there to there. And then there to there. I don't freaking know. It is kind of like a channel or a descending wedge, kind of. So who knows? But if it breaks out to the upside, like it does, if it breaks like right here, 67 and above, it's good. But let's go to like the hour. Yeah. So this is more of like a bear flag. That looks more like a bear flag to me because it's on the way down. That's the pull down, right? And then if it, kind of converges at a middle right here, then, that could be a bear flag. But it's looking like a descending triangle right now. So we'll see. It could be, a falling wedge pattern from up here. You could say that probably right there. And then you could probably even say, I don't know, back here to there. So we'd have a ways to go to get up here. Yeah. Anything. I mean, we're at the bottom of everything right now. So we're going to have to climb up to get over any, resistance points. So things are just looking super, super bearish right now. They could turn around at any time, but yeah, I think maybe just let the market settle for a day and figure out what's going on. Unless you want to make some risky purchases, you could probably buy right now just about anything and turn it into a profit before the end of the bull market. Now, is the bull market over? That is the big question. Because if the bull market's over, you don't want to buy anything right now if it's all the way on its way down. But I don't think it is. You think that's how we're going to end this thing? And that's it? And then we're done? Really? I mean, it does look like it, though. I mean, it's different than every other dump we've had before, except this one. I just don't like it when we start to dump like this. Sometimes it doesn't end, and it could go all the way back down to 30,000 again. I mean, yeah, I don't really want that to happen. That would be more than almost a 60% correction. But yeah, I don't know. Let's look. Maybe there's like inverse head and shoulders right here or something. I mean, nope. It was kind of right here, but it just blasted up. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe right here, but yeah, I just don't see anything good happening for any crypto, like technical analysis wise for right now. It's just looking super bearish. Now I don't even have the RSI on here for some reason. Ugh. There we go. Yeah. So there you have it. We have basically undersold right now. We're so undersold. It's ridiculous. Yeah, this is definitely time to buy, guys. Anything under 30 is basically undersold. Basically, it's telling you that you have to buy right now. The RSI is saying if you don't buy, you don't belong in crypto unless you don't have any money like me. Then you're basically just at the mercy of the crypto. You know, maybe if you guys give me a lot of views and a lot of likes and a lot of shares and stuff, then I'll actually make some money. And then maybe I'll have money to put in the market. And then, yay, I'll make more money. And then I'll make more videos and you'll give me more money and more views. And I'll give you more money and more views. Oh, you want more views? Well, I'll give them to you anyway. I don't know. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. We're just recovering. We're breathing. We're taking a step back and we're hoping that this doesn't keep happening. This doesn't keep dropping. Now we are definitely testing this resistance right here at 47. Now we're basically so far under these moving averages that it's redonkulous. So even the 200 day, that's what's really sad, is we're super far even below the 200. Oh, wait, nope, not anymore. Look at that. We came above the 200 now. We are above the 200. It's now at 46. Let's look at the hundo. The Benjamin. Nope, we're way below that one. So that's the next one we got to get above, is the 100, which is what we broke to go down here. And then we went below the 200 even. So averages, people, averages. Now that's unfortunate. We had to come back down and touch this one. It didn't need to happen. This was just a lot of rich people that wanted to take your money, that didn't realize that them making a ton of money and dumping the market takes all of yours and I money. Yours and mine, yours and my money. And that's what it does. All the rich people that move the market and dump the market are losing our money. All the money that we put in the market all this whole time. Now, a lot of people sold and took profits probably on most of theirs. But if you bought back in the last couple of weeks, which I bet a lot of you did, then you're down. So we're just holding. Now, a good way to offset your loss is to, if you bought it like $1.90 on Algorand and it's down at $1.50, now what you do is you put a couple grand in at $1.50. And then boom, your new average is like, $1.60 instead of $1.90. So that's how you can do that. It might take more than that, but who knows? So that's a good thing. I'm going to let you go tonight. Thank you for joining this live stream and market crash update. So please follow me over there on Reddit. I could use a lot more followers on Reddit and my Facebook page. It actually has a group that gets every one of my videos. So if you don't get notified on YouTube and you want those quick market updates, because sometimes I do videos on crypto that I think are going to break out immediately, and I need to give you that information right away. It takes almost an hour to upload YouTube videos sometimes. So if you want those quick market updates, you need to follow me on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, and all of my other social medias, because they upload a lot quicker. Now, I love YouTube. It's my favorite platform. It's the one I want all of you to follow me and like and all that the most on, but I want you to have the best information. Now, it doesn't really help me if you follow me on Facebook and all those others, but if you want to, it actually does, because it builds my brand and it builds, more stuff. So it doesn't like give me money or anything, but it does help support the brand. And actually it helps you be part of the community. That way, if you need somebody's help, somebody is very nice in our community. So you can probably ask any one of us for help and we'll help you. That's the good thing about being in a community like ours. We might go through these dumps, but we go through them together. Now, you guys know that I had a hard time tonight and you stuck with me. That's what means a lot to me. You saw that I struggled. You stayed with me during the stream, and I appreciate that. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!